a bowl, a mixing utensil, and some contact lens solution. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is pour your glue into the bowl. The next step is optional. If you want to pour some food coloring, you can pour some food coloring and go ahead and mix it. You can also add shaving foam if you want your slime to be very fluffy. Then after that, the next step is to add your contact lens solution, a little bit at a time. Now mix it all together. You'll know when it's turning into slime once it clumps all together, like this. You can also activate your slime by adding some baking soda. Now let's mix it all together. Keep activating your slime until it's not sticky anymore. Okay, so once your slime clumps together and starts looking like this, then you can put it in the refrigerator to cool so that it becomes less sticky. But first, let's put it in a container. So before we put it in the refrigerator, I'm going to pour it into this container. Now I'm going to close the lid on top of my container, and I'm going to go put this in the refrigerator. Okay, so after refrigerating my slime, here's how it turned out. And it kind of turned out into cloud slime, so it's like really fluffy and stretchy. And it feels really soft and good. And because of the baking soda, a nice texture came onto the slime. Overall, this slime turned out really good. I hope you have fun making your own slime. Bye! Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!